There's a slightly long question from Jishana. Hi Minakshi, I've been trying to get a bunch of leads for the past few months, but I'm not able to get any. Please let me know why. I've tried everything. I've tried talking to people about how I want to get new leads. I've tried Google searching a lot about how to get new leads. I've also seen templates for emails that I can send and strategies for LinkedIn, but I'm still not able to get any leads. Please tell me what to do next. Okay, so Jishana, based on what I've read in the message you've sent me, I think the problem is you're not doing the thing. The reason you're not getting leads is because you're doing all the different things to know how to get leads, but not actually doing the thing you should do, which is sending emails or messaging on LinkedIn. You're saying you've spoken to a lot of friends, but that is not doing the thing. You have researched how to source new leads, which is not the thing. You have tried looking at different messages and templates that you can send on email and LinkedIn, which again is not the thing. You have basically done a bunch of different things, but not the actual thing. So the actionable advice I can give you to get more leads is send the email. You have seen the template, so draft the email, send it. You have researched ways to get leads. Now you know where to get contacts from. You have researched how LinkedIn works. Go find some companies, start applying to those jobs. You have spoken to so many people, tell them one extra thing to refer you to different people. I think based on the message you have sent me and what you have detailed here, you have not yet gotten leads because you haven't reached out to them yet, you haven't sourced them yet, you have just seen how to do it. If you want to learn more about how you can reach out to leads and source them, and you even want a template to send them the right emails or messages on LinkedIn, you can DM me once again and I'll let you know. And the same goes for others as well. Let me know or check out my book, The Freelancer's Mindset, for more such tips.